Welcome back to another video of the Devscorch learning platform. So this is probably the last development vlog we're gonna make for the Devscorch platform. The Devscorch platform has a little bit been delayed because of my day job, so I didn't have a lot of time to develop it, but I'm close. I am really close. So maybe if you have seen the last development vlogs, you can see the homepage. It's still the same. We added terms of use, so terms and conditions. We added a privacy agreement. I added an about Devscorch with a contact form. Contact form is not working yet for some reason. I don't know why, but I'm busy. I'm working on it. Last but not least, Devscorch designs. Devscorch designs doesn't do anything yet. We're gonna add it later. So courses, everybody who have seen it, you already have seen this page as well. Something new is the sections. Instead of returning videos on the course page, I decided to return sections with its information, the time it takes to watch them. At this moment this is only sample data, so it's all the same. I saw something on another website that I found really interesting for who is this course. So there we just gonna explain for who the course is and what you're gonna learn. Pretty interesting. So now the coolest part, when you click a course, you go to the video environment of Devscorch. The idea is that on the right side here at the introduction to HTML and CSS is you get a playlist, and on this side you play the video you want to see. You can use it full screen if you want. That works as well. And we're gonna go back. Okay, perfect. That is new. That is something I added. The downloads page is pricing. Well, we had a lot of problems getting Stripe to work on our Weber platform, so we decided to build a small payment API in Node. A friend of mine is trying to get it to work now. Don't worry about the price, it's gonna be $9.99 instead of $11.99. This is a typo, I don't know where it comes from. Logging in and registering you have seen as well. What we did add is a reset your password function. That is something we add. You add in your email and you reset your password, you get a personal reset token. Pretty interesting. So let's dive a little bit into the code. So we updated some models as well. For the user model we added the courses followed and the sections finished. This means when you click a course and you watch a video, it's going to be in your courses followed array, and that means in the future update, I think around June, you will find all the courses you are following or you watched. You're going to see it in your profile as well. And then we have the sections finished. The section finished is a system where you as a student or as a user, every time you finish a section, so you watch all the videos of the section, the front end is going to do a post request with the section ID into your section finished array. And when you go to the courses page, it is going to look through the array, and if the section ID is in the array, you get a small green V or something, or a check mark that you have already finished that course. So you don't have to click it yourself, the system is going to do that for you. I'm still adding it, but it wouldn't take long anymore. And the video watched, we already did that, so every time you watch a video and HTML is going to trigger an ended event listener, the video watched array is going to get updated with the latest video you watched. So every time you watch a video, it's the front end is doing a post request to your user ID, and it's exactly the same. It's going to loop to the array, and if the ID of the video is inside the array, you get a small check mark to the video. No, we didn't add anything to the video. We changed a little bit around the section model, so that we could make this possible, right? Into the so that we could get this possible. So the name of the section, the time it takes, and the section information. So section name, section number, and section description, and section duration. Pretty cool. That's something we added, and it works really well actually. If you want to see it, the password token, you don't see any hidden stuff here because it's all generated automatically. But that's something we added. We changed the course model as well. I rewrote it a lot of parts, and now there's also a publish date, so the date it gets published. As you can see, it's not yet on the page. I still have to add it to the route. Didn't do that yet. Then we added the course duration. We still didn't add that, I see, but we're gonna add that soon. Difficulty. The difficulty for like this is beginning. You always see that. That's already added. The last updated time. The last updated time is for when we update a course, because when you take a subscription with Devscorch, we keep updating our courses. So, for example, HTML and CSS, we have like the whole course planned. Most of it's already recorded, and in the future we want to add new sections to it. And every time we add a section, the last updated date will change as well, so that you guys always know when there's something new to see. Publish date, we already talked about that. Now then we have like the for who name, for who text. That is this one. So for who is this course? This course is for everyone who wants to learn how to build beautiful websites and start a career as a web developer. And okay, that was the course model. We didn't change anything. We are adding a written blog post system. I'm running it myself instead of using Blogger or Medium. Medium is a nice platform actually, but I just want to have everything inside of Devscorch. We're still working on it. I'm talking with a few friends of mine what the best thing is to accomplish this. The backend for it is finished, by the way. We only have to write the front end for it. Okay, so then we went to the web controller, our routes. We added some new routes. We rewrote some stuff as well, so that we could guarantee better performance. And I have to say it is pretty nice. It works really good actually. And yeah, this is a little bit a small update on. I added the freelance part. The freelance part is mostly for me. Instead of building like my own portfolio website, I decided to use Devscorch as my portfolio website as well. So while some people are learning, maybe somebody is in need of a freelance developer, they can always hire me for iOS development, website development, REST APIs. Yeah, the hourly rate here is also not right. No idea why it is 42, but I'm still updating it. And yes, this is a little bit a small update of the Devscorch platform. I hope to launch half of March. It's like a year later than I was officially planning, but because of my day job, I don't have a lot of time to work on the platform at the moment. And yeah, this was like what I added since last time. I mean the stuff that is worth mentioning. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you guys saw something interesting. I hope you guys are interested in following the Devscorch platform as well. And I hope to see you next time. Have a good night.